Updated styling across the lineup, led by the first ever RS trim, introduces additional choices to the 2019 Chevrolet Malibu and improves its presence. We see an exciting opportunity with the 2019 Malibu to give customers new, distinctive choices, exemplified by Malibu RS, said Steve Mahuros, Chevrolet Marketing Director for Cars and Crossovers. It offers athletic design and amazing features at an attractive price point starting between Malibu LS and LT trims. The first ever Chevrolet Malibu RS offers a sporty, personalized appearance starting at around $25,000, driven by styling cues that include 18-inch machined wheels, black sport grille, black bow tie emblems, a rear spoiler and a dual outlet exhaust. Inside, Malibu RS features a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shifter, black cloth seats and a standard 8-inch diagonal color touchscreen running the Chevrolet infotainment system. Offered on 5 2019 models, the RS trim is a Chevrolet success story that gives customers distinctive choice, strong value, and performance-driven design. The new, standard 8-inch diagonal touchscreen running Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system and new CVT transmission mated to the standard 1.5L turbo engine further refine the 2019 Malibu line. The Premier trim retains its 2.0L turbo paired to a 9-speed automatic. Performance-inspired design. The Chevrolet Malibu's front fascia, grills, and headlamps are all new. The headlamps are integrated with the upper grille and the larger, bolder lower grille, giving the car a more powerful presence. High-performance LED lighting are integrated into the headlamps for Premier models, and there are new LED signature daytime running lamps for LT and Premier. There's greater attention to detail in the grille and headlamps, with bold chrome accents reinforcing Malibu's premium appearance. A new rear valance pushes the dual exhaust outlets farther toward the corners, emphasizing the car's width, while new tail lamps deliver a more dramatic execution of Chevrolet's signature dual-element design. The LT and Premier trims feature LED tail lamps. The Malibu's fresh look refines and enhances the sculptural beauty of the Malibu, said John Caffaro, Executive Director, Global Chevrolet Design. It will also be an obvious member of the Chevrolet car family. Additional 2019 updates across Malibu's lineup include a new, standard 8-inch diagonal color touchscreen radio running Chevrolet Infotainment. New 8-inch diagonal reconfigurable driver information center display on the Premier model. Rear vision camera system is now standard on the Malibu L model. The up-level Malibu Premier features standard heated outboard rear seats. New available interior and exterior colors. New wheel designs available in multiple sizes, including 16, 17 and 18-inch. The restyled Malibu joins the 2019 Cruze and Spark as part of Chevrolet's freshened car portfolio. It goes on sale in fall 2018.